Hi, good evening. My name is Teacher Cindy, and today I'm going to do teaching demo material 1. First, I'm going to do the speaking test. Vine, vine, vote, vote, very, very, fan, fan, fool, fool, fee, pea, think, think, three, tree, bath, bath, spend, skirt, scar, step. She sells fresh fish and thin shells by the seashore. Would you like to order a bottle of water or a cup of hot coffee? Please press the red button located at the top of the classroom. Welcome to my online class. So today, my demo lesson is Friends on the Farm, and my student is 4 years old from China. So let's start. First, we're going to greet and answer. Hi, how are you? Are you happy? Yes, I'm happy too. Can you hear me? Yes, very good. Can you see me? Oh, wow, that's great. So let's start now. Okay, so my name is Teacher Cindy. My name is Teacher Cindy. What is your name? Elsa. Wow. Hello, Elsa. Can you say hello, teacher? Good job. Okay, Elsa, can you say my name is Elsa? Good job. Can you say it again, Elsa? Wow, very good. Okay, Elsa, how old are you? 4 years old. Yes, very good. Okay, Elsa, can you say, I am 4 years old? Can you say it? Good job. Can you say it one more time, Elsa? Good job, Elsa. Yay! Elsa, high five first. High five. Very good. Okay, Elsa, look at this picture. So you can see here many fruits. So these fruits are oranges. These fruits are grapes. These fruits are pears. And this fruit is watermelon. Okay, I will repeat again. These are oranges. These are grapes. These are pears. And this is watermelon. Okay, Elsa, what fruit do you like? Oh, you like watermelon. Wow, I like this fruit too. This is very yummy. Okay, good job, Elsa. Okay, Elsa, can you say, I like watermelon? Great. Okay, can you say it one more time, Elsa? Wow, very good, Elsa. You are very smart. Because you are very smart, I will give you a star. Yes, very good, Elsa. Thank you. Okay, now Elsa, let's move to the next lesson. Okay, Elsa, before we start our lessons, let's have a warm-up. Do you love singing, Elsa? Yes, me too, Elsa. I love singing. Okay, Elsa, let's go. Sing a song. Here we go. Okay, this one is entitled Bingo. Okay, come on, Elsa, let's sing together. There was a farmer had a dog. Bingo was his name. B-I-N-G-O. 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 And Bingo was his name. Oh, wow, very good, Elsa. You have a wonderful voice. I like it. Very good, Elsa. Okay, now, Elsa, let's learn now. Okay, so today we're going to listen first and guess what's in the picture. Are you ready, Elsa? Can you say? Thumbs up. Say, yes, very good, Elsa. So let's go. What animal is it? Woof, woof, woof. What animal is it, Elsa? Yes, a dog. This is a dog. Wow. Okay, Elsa, can you say it? Dog. One more time. Good job, Elsa. Okay, next. Can you guess what animal is it? Meow, meow, meow. What animal is it, Elsa? Wow! It's a cat. This is a cat. Okay, can you say it? Cat. One more time. Good job. Yay. Next. Okay, what animal is it? Tweet, 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 tweet. Say, this animal can fly. Tweet, tweet, tweet. What animal is it? Oh, it's a bird. Very beautiful. Okay, can you say it, Elsa? Bird. Bird. Can you say it one more time? Good job, Elsa. Yay! Okay, let's have high five. High five. Very good, Elsa. Now, let's learn them together. Okay, Elsa, I'm going to circle one by one. Can you tell me what animal is it? Yes, great job, bird. Can you say it's a bird? Yes, that's right. Can you say it one more time? Good job, Elsa. Okay, next, Elsa. What animal is this? Dog. Yes, very good. You're correct. Okay, Elsa, can you say it's a dog? Okay, one more time. Yes, that's right. Well done, Elsa. Okay, and the last one. What animal is it? Yeah, that's right. You're correct. This is a cat. Yes, can you say, Elsa? It's a cat. One more time. Wow, very good, Elsa. Okay, Elsa, let's repeat one more time. Can you say it? It's a bird. Very good. It's a dog. Good job. And it's a cat. Wow, very good. You're amazing. Because you're amazing, Elsa, I will give you one more star. Very good, Elsa. I'm very happy. Good job. Now, let's say, okay, Elsa, look and say, what animal is it? Yes, it's a dog. Good job. Yes. How about this one, Elsa? What animal is it? Ah, wow, very good. Yes, it's a cat. Wow, good job. And this one is? Yes, this one is it's a bird. Good job, Elsa. Come on, high five, high five, high five. Wow, very good, Elsa. You remember all. You did an amazing job. Okay, Elsa. Now let's go to the next slide. So here we're going to look at the two pictures and say what animal it is when they're put together. Are you ready, Elsa? Say yes. Can you say yes and thumbs up? Good job, Elsa. Okay, now Elsa, here, when we put together, what is it? Yes, a bird. Good job. You're correct. Yes, good job. Now, how about this one, Elsa? Look, think, and say. It's a dog. Good job. Okay, again, Elsa. Look, think, and say. It's a cat. Wow! Very good, Elsa. High five, high five, high five, high five. Okay, Elsa, one more star for you. You are amazing and you did a great job. Okay, Elsa, that's it for today. And thank you so much for listening and hope to see you again in our next class. Goodbye for now.